Hello, I'm going to teach you how to develop a simple web application using HTML. The first thing you need to do is to create a folder where you want to create a project. Then you name it web. Okay. Now you can use the traditional or the default text editor Notepad or a third-party software on Windows, Notepad++, which is very good for coding. Double click on it or right click and click on open. Okay, a new tab is open, and this is how you start HTML. The less than symbol and type HTML and close it with the greater than symbol. Now when you do this, it is called a tag, and when you put it in between the less than and the greater than symbol, it is called a tag, and the name of the tag is the content inside. So therefore this becomes HTML tag. So I duplicate, type the same thing and put a forward slash, and this is the opening tag and this is the HTML closing tag. The next thing you consider is to introduce the head, which is going to handle the introductory part of the work. So you open the head tag, less than and greater than symbol, and put the head in between. That makes it a head tag. The next thing is to open the title tag and type the title of the page. My first web page. So, and click on save. Desktop. We name the folder web, and we are given a name called index.html. Okay, now go to web and double click on web. As you can see, my first page, that is the title of the web page we described in the Notepad, and you can see that the format has not changed. Now after the head tag, we have the next thing, is a body tag. That's the opening of the body tag and the closing of the body tag. So as I told you earlier, anything in between the greater and less than tag is called a tag, and HTML recognizes this. Is able to format your document in a particular layout using these tags. So the body here, the space between the opening and the closing of the body is whatever the programmer or the web developer is going to put within here, this part of the work. Now let me introduce you to some of the basic tags, like H1 tag. That's a big heading tag. Welcome to my first website. And you close the H1 tag and click on save. Now we reload or refresh our browser, and as you can see, welcome to my first website. Bye for now, and that is the first video tutorial